Hello everybody and welcome to our first tutorial for our new One Small Step webpage. So very excited. It is launched, so you are able to go and look at it. Of course, there are some tweaks to be done, but basically, all in all, it is open and functional. So the link to the new webpage is fundraise.fpwr.ca/OSS_home. And when you click on that, well, this is the web page. So it's a beautiful page, you are able to also get the same page in français, and it's beautifully made. We're very excited about this. So just wanted to show you a couple of things. So when you do want to host an event, so this tutorial is about getting started on hosting your event. You'll be able to go as you do every year, put in your name, email. You're going to have to fill it out this year because, of course, it's a brand new system, so everything is brand new. Username, we will ask you to be using your email. It's going to be just so much easier than creating a username that's different than your email. And basically, you put in the location, the date, and you submit your survey. So this year is a little different because I had to ask a couple of people, a couple of hosts, if you were coming back. So you won't need to do this year if you are receiving my email already. But if if anybody wants to host, this is the process that they're going to have to go through next year and the years after that. When I create your event, I create your event, you'll receive an email such as this one from me, and it says you have been assigned as an event manager. When you receive this email, you will see that it comes with the One Small Step logo, and it says, "Dear," it's going to be your name. Basically, that you are the event manager for, in my case, Virtual Fundraiser Canada. It's going to be whichever city you are hosting in. And at the bottom here, it's going to give you 3 links. So basically, the first link is your event management center URL or your participant center. And then at username, and then at the bottom is set or reset my password now. You will click on this first because you need to reset your password first. You will receive another email from the site administrator, and it's going to tell you to follow the instructions. Basically, you click on the link, you follow the instructions directly on the page, and it will automatically set it up for you. So you'll change the password right away, and at that point, you'll be able to continue. So once you've changed your password, you come back to this email, the first one, which is you have been assigned as an event manager, and you click on the Event Management Center URL, which will take you to this page, and basically you put in the new password you've selected, and you click on Submit, and it takes you to your Participation Center. Participation Center is, of course, it looks extremely different from what you've known. So there is our fabulous link for our kits, host resources. It's all there, English, French. You can go and look at all the stuff that we already have ready for you, whether it be the logos, whether it be on the day of the event, your pledge forms, your participant waivers, the whole shebang. So it's all there. So you'll be able to use that, okay? So that's one thing that I wanted to show you, where to get that information. Second thing that you need to know is basically this. So you have to go through these portions. This is basically where you're going to update and make your website, your event page, basically what you want it. Usually this is going to be pre-filled, but make sure that the name is correct. Put in the date of the event and put in a fundraising amount. Okay, I'll have pre-filled it, but make sure that you do it, that it fits you. And there's going to be a suggested participant fundraising goal that you can put in. We suggest 500. It is up to you if you want to increase it per participant, so how much each participant should raise. And this year also what's new is that there is a team fundraising goal. So there is a possibility this year with this new system to actually create a page for a team. So instead of Carol Alcal participating to the Brampton Walk, Carol Alcal is coming in with a team. She's a team captain, and she will have members of her team under her. So you can have a team, and you can have a we're suggesting $1,000 for teams. But again, if you feel that your teams can do more than that, you can definitely increase it. But this is basically, what we are expecting of them. Now, the other one is edit properties. So this is where you're going to put date, time. You will see that in some places it says do not use. So do not use it. Make sure you fill out all the places that it says to fill out. Location is basically, where the event is happening, the address. I would take that address, type it in, and type it into Google Maps, and get the link of the Google Map of the particular park. For example, I don't know, let's pick this one. So make sure you get the link, you copy it, and then you can come and put it right here. Oops, sorry. You can put it right here under the map link. And that will make sure that your map is pinpointed on your event page. And then you'll see sponsor name. It's actually the banner in the background. So for that, I'm going to highly suggest, I will explain how to change that picture in the background afterwards. You have to upload the picture first, and I'll show you where you upload it. But this is where you would copy the link of that upload here, and I'll show you how to do that afterward. Click on save, click on finish, and then at that point you'll be able to go to event coordinator properties. This basically, it will be pre-filled, but make sure it's your name that's there and the correct email to reach you. And finally, manage library. So this is where we were talking about this picture. You can go and upload, go to image list, upload new image. Once you've uploaded the new image, you can preview it here, okay? So you make sure that this is the image that you want to put in. And once you do that, you'll be able to basically use this picture. So if I go back, I'll show you in another, I have actually a Word document that explains to you exactly how to upload a picture to your event, and I will send you that separately, okay? So you won't have to fret about that. But this is where you would do it. Event website. This is the second tab that I will ask you to go and update. So you go here and you click on edit. It's right on the corner. It's not easy to see. So right here, you see this, you do not touch, you do not delete, you do not do anything to it. Underneath, you just have to write basically what the event is about, what you're promoting. So basically, come to this great event, family. If you have bake sales, if you have, I'm doing a silent auction. This is where you fill it out to try to get people to come and to do it. So this is where you're going to have to promote your event. And finally, event emails, I'll get back to that. I will send you a separate video about how to change coaching emails. Customer service. So you have here too, we're going to do a special one later on to explain to you how to manage participants. It's pretty self-explanatory. Manage teams. Record event gifts. Gifts is actually donations. We are sorry that the wording is a little bit bizarre, but this is where you'll be able to add offline donations and such. So we'll get back to that at another time. And finally, reports. And here reports, I will be creating a report for you. It can be anything you want, whether it be results, whether it be how many participants you have. This is something that you and me can discuss, and we can create those reports for you. You can have them as you like. It can be only at the end of your event if you like. It can be monthly, it can be weekly. It's really up to you. I think most of you are going to basically want the report at the end of the event to see the list of all your donations. But we'll get to that later on and we can discuss it. But it's all going to be right here in your manager event, basically your event manager center, or what we call the participant center for you. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. You click here to log off, and we can discuss. And once you've updated all that, you'll be able to go and view your page on the website. So if you go to the website, which is right here, you'll be able to go and find it. One of the ways to find it is to actually put the percentage sign in find an event, and you'll see all the events that have been loaded up here, and you'll be able to go and view your event page. So for now, this is it. And if we can get started on that, we can get things going, and I'll create more videos for you guys so that as we go along. Thank you. Talk soon.